fast do you think I can type?
If I had to throw a number, I would say 128.
Shit. All right, let's see.
Oh wait, was that? I thought maybe that was. Thought you were gonna like laugh and be
No,
like.
I'm doing a typing test. Ah, you're pretty close. Yeah.
Cool. Why don't you try again?
Okay. Ah, I got it.
Let's see. Can you type? Can you type faster? Or will it affect
Just say now I'm recording this.
Oh. Well, but can you hear me? Or just recording your hands?
I got the microphone on.
Oh.
I'm not. It's not streaming though, so I can edit it out.
Yeah, you can edit it. So,
but I might not.
Yeah. That's on you. All right, go ahead and try.
All right. That does not work the same as Overwatch.
Okay, all right, fine. I will stop.
All right, let's see. $122. Your womanly ways, your temptations, have corrupted me. No. No, I'm getting worse now.
Oh